one thing I want to do before we actually get into two-step problems is I want to talk about the 4 types of one-step problems. We mentioned these in class again yesterday, and like I said, yesterday in class we practiced going from moles of one substance, so in this case moles of substance A, to moles of another substance, substance B. Okay, and we use a balanced equation to do this. This is where, for this type of problem, this is where we need a balanced equation. You cannot go from moles of one substance to moles of another substance without a balanced chemical equation. Now, the other 3 types of one-step problems we did last semester. This was in our unit on chemical quantities. So going from moles to mass, or grams, using the periodic table, right? For this we use the mass from the P table. The second type, or really I guess third type, would be going from moles of substance A to the volume of substance A, and that's assuming that substance A is a gas. Remember, it has to be a gas to deal with volume, and in order to do this we would use, instead of the mass from the periodic table, we would use the quantity that 1 mole of a gas at STP, meaning standard temperature and pressure, equals 22.4 liters. And then finally, for the last type of one-step problem, this would be going from moles of substance A to particles of substance A. And that's using the equality of 1 mole is equal to 6 times 10 to the 23rd, and it would be whatever particles you're counting. So it could be atoms, or it could be molecules, or it could be formula units, or FUs, whatever you want to call them, etc. So that's essentially the list of one-step problems. And so what you need to know as we go into two-step problems is, how do we put those together? So those one-step problems, how do we actually connect them to do something useful?